Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. So today video title is guys, how can we enable our Find My device? Friends, you want to enable Find My device. So how can you enable Tecno phone guys you don't know? So in this video guys, I will show you, I will tell you. Then guys you can on guys your Find My device in your Tecno phone friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you're new in my channel, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video friends. First of all guys, we will on guys our phone setting to enable Find My device. Then scroll it. You can see guys phone security setting friends. Tap here. Then guys you can see guys this third option Find My device. So we will tap here, and guys you want to enable, so as you can enable from it. After enable guys you can see these settings, and guys you can see Find My device helps you locate guys, also helps you keep your data safe. So guys if you lose your phone and guys your device, so guys you can track your phone and guys you can save your data. So like that guys you can enable Find My device in your Tecno phone. So are your friends have understood how to enable Find My device in Tecno phone? So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.